Let's check in on your markets now, starting off with the JSE, which received a mixed handover from Asia. And as you can see, that's also filtered through to the local bourse, which is pretty mixed at the moment. Let's take a look at those markets. The all share gaining 0.75%. Resources 10 complex powering through, making the biggest gains, up 2.43%. The financial 15 edging up 0.66%. The industrial 25, the only one in the red, losing 0.3%. Moving over to your US markets now. Now, stocks on that front initially struggling for direction in early trade, but as you can see, all index sitting comfortably in positive territory. Investors, however, remaining quite cautious. We saw Treasury yields gain on rising bets that the Fed could delay interest rate cuts this year. Hopefully, this week's consumer prices print will give more clues on what the Fed could do next. So with that, the S&P 500 edging up close to 0.2%. The Nasdaq gaining 0.3% and the Dow up 0.13%. Let's take a look at your European markets now. Those markets also kicking off the week in the green. Investors on that front eyeing the European Central Bank's next rates decision, which Lagarde will be delivering on Thursday. Consensus is for a hold, but traders will be particularly looking out for any clues in regards to rate cuts, considering the slow inflation and downbeat growth on that end. With that, the FTSE 100 gaining 0.45%. The DAX up 0.77%. The CAC 40 making the most gains on that front, gaining 0.8%. Let's take a look at your currencies now. The rand making gains, partly boosted by upbeat local data. The SARB showing that net foreign reserves rose to 57.5 billion rand, $5 billion rather, at the end of March from 56.6 billion in February. And with that, as you can see, the rand strengthening on all ends. The dollar to the rand at 18.63, the pound to the rand at 23.57, and the euro to the rand at 20.23. Let's take a look now at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar making some losses at 1.08. The pound to the dollar also making losses on that end at 1.26. And the yen today slipped to a near 34-year low versus the greenback as traders remained alert for any potential action from Japanese authorities to support the weakening currency. So the dollar to the yen sitting just under 152.